Welcome to 10 Top Premium After Effects Templates to try in 2019. First up, a template to help you create a dramatic opening with Parallax effects. Parallax Opener also adds lens dirt, light leaks, and film scratches to bring depth to your project. Vibrant but edgy, the versatile Urban Grit Showreel pack lets you tap into the energy of the city with glitch effects and modern aesthetics. Geometric Distortion Opener will add impact with an inspired opener sequence, bold animated graphics, and a black and white aesthetic. Try Event Intro Opener for a bold, modern intro to conferences and meetings. A sophisticated template with on-trend flat graphics adds sleek credibility to any event. Gold Simple Titles features 30 clean assets. With easy to customize templates, you'll be looking great in no time. Inductor Reveal is an impressive logo reveal, or can be used as an opener or teaser. With an effective combination of vintage imagery and contemporary fast-paced graphics, Concert Promo is a template perfect for music lovers. Explainer Typography Kit. With 13 animated scenes, this pack is perfect for demonstrating your facts and figures. Fun and unique, the digital holographic intro template particularly suits corporate presentations and tech-themed videos. And finally, big titles, a cinematic slideshow template that can be used as a title sequence or other project opener.